Sure. So the EICC is a coalition of more than 110 companies from all parts of the electronic supply chain. They came together around a common code of conduct for social and environmental sustainability, and the organization helps the members hold themselves and their suppliers accountable to that code of conduct through an audit program and issue-based campaigns ranging from environmental sustainability to human rights issues. So EICC and IndustriALL have been working together for several years now. IndustriALL is on our Stakeholder Advisory Council and played a really important role in helping us to rewrite our Code of Conduct on freedom of association and our work aligning with the UN guiding principles. On temporary work, I think there are a number of ways that we can get engaged. The first one is just making sure that the unions that are part of IndustriALL are reaching out to every worker, whether they're migrant workers, temporary workers, to make sure that they understand their rights and that they understand the EICC's Code of Conduct, and making sure that they understand how to keep themselves safe in the workplace as well. I'd have to think more about other ways that we can work together, but I mean, EICC, we're open to having a dialogue around other opportunities. So I thought that the Global Dialogue Forum was an important opportunity to start the conversation around temporary work and precarious work and other issues associated with non-full-time employment. ILO moves very, very slow, and we need to stay engaged in this process to make sure that something meaningful comes out that can be ratified and can be used to hold governments and companies accountable to these human rights issues. At the same time, we can't wait for this to turn into something that's legally binding. I mean, we need to work together to, company to union, company to company, government to company, to figure out ways to address some of the social and environmental risks associated with temporary labor as soon as possible, and not wait for any international consensus-based document to. It is an honor to be invited to participate in IndustriALL's global conference. I think it's an important part of making sure that the lines of communication and dialogue are open between employers and workers around these critical human rights and environment.